Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. For my first project, I have this piece of wood. I'm gonna go ahead and take it outside and spray paint it with this Rust-Oleum glossy protective emerald, and it is in this baby blue. In the meantime, while that dries, I have this relax word. I'm going to be giving it one coat with Mod Podge. Of course, I'm gonna be waiting for it to dry. Once it's dry, then I'm gonna be placing this baby blue picture, oh my god, tissue. I can't even talk anymore today, and I'm just starting the video. How's that for a living? And then of course I'm gonna be coming in with my iron. I don't have my little iron because I was not able to find it. As many of you know, I moved. I am still putting my craft room together. I'm almost there, 90% of it. And let me tell you that I moved close to a pallet factory, so they have piles and piles of wood, and the guy told me that I can go and stop by and fill my car up as much as I want and as often as I want, and it's completely free. So I was so happy. I filled up my minivan twice. So I have plenty of wood to craft. So now let's get back to this here. I'm gonna go ahead and place the tissue this way, and then I'm going to come in with my iron like I said before, just to make sure that I'm going to be activating that Mod Podge. And I didn't use no parchment paper. I didn't see it necessary. It adhered pretty good, and I didn't have any type of issue, as you can tell. And of course, once this is done, I'm just going to go ahead and cut the excess paper or tissue off, and then I'm going to be using the burning method. So that is completely done. So now I'm just cleaning it up a bit, and then of course I'm going to be putting it to the side. And I have this little turtle and this boat, and I'm giving it one coat with this marine blue. But as you notice, or as you're gonna know later on, the sailing boat, after I glued it on the plaque or on that piece of wood that I showed you earlier that is outside drying, I went and I removed it and I replaced it with something else. What's the something else? Sandals. Because this challenge, one of the items we have to use is the flip-flops. This challenge is called Just Our Imagination. The host is Kathy Joe with Kathy Joe DIY and Brenda Rustic Lace Stick DIY, and the guest host this month is Melissa Craft Crumbs. Each month we've challenged to create a unique project using 3 specific items. Kathy Joe and Brenda selects the best creation, and the winner becomes the guest host. Be sure to visit these creators for more inspiration and check out the playlist in the description box below. And now let's get ready to assemble everything together. I'm selecting a couple of screws and washers. I also have these little hooks that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I am going to be using 6 of them. I purchased these last year. I have not seen them this year. I'm going to be using a combination of hot glue, and also once they are in place, then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the screw to make sure that they do not fall. My daughter purchased a house and she has a swimming pool, so she needs something like this to hang the towels and the wood flip-flops. So this is what I am going to be creating. And remember earlier in the video I told you that I am going to be replacing this sailboat for the flip-flops. Just keep watching. This is all going to make sense. This is going to be turning out absolutely gorgeous. And this relax sign, I'm going to be gluing it right here. And I'm also going to be adding some popsicles sticks in the back. I didn't show you, but on the popsicle sticks, once they were put in place, I came in with my heavy duty staple and then I went on it and I stapled it. I just want to make sure that this would not fall out with, the traffic. And only for the purpose of this video, I'm using this wired jute cord, but we are going to be screwing this outside her house. So I am going to be eliminating this eventually. Here is the flip-flop that I am going to be replacing. So I'm going to be adding plenty of hot glue, and this will be it for this project. Now she can use this to hang her towels or the wet flip-flops right by her pool. I already showed her a picture and she is absolutely loving this piece. This piece is humongous. And here is the final reveal. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. Our second challenge is using Jenga blocks. I'm going to be creating a stand for my glue gun and my glue sticks. Years ago, way before I even opened my channel, I created one, but when I moved, it broke. So I'm going to be creating a second one. I'm going to be using this super glue. I purchased this at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be gluing 15 of these Jenga blocks side by side, and I'm going to create a set. I also decided to use both of the colors that the Jenga blocks box brings. This one, I'm going to be gluing them the long side, and I'm going to be gluing 5 of them. And I'm going to be also creating a set of 3. So now I'm going to go ahead and start putting these pieces together. I want to take the opportunity to thank my current and future subscribers. Your support has made this channel possible. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell button so you don't miss any of my new videos. Check out the playlist down below in my description box and make sure to give these talented creators a lot of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking their videos. And this is how it's looking so far. I have already created the base. I'm going to go ahead and wipe all the glue and put it to the side. I'm going to be creating another 9 Jenga blocks, and I glue them just as you see. I didn't want to bore you seeing me putting glue on every Jenga block. I'm going to put those to the side, and I'm going to create another set of 9 Jenga blocks. Once I'm done with both of the sets, then I'm going to create 2 sets of 3, just as you see right here. And I'm creating a box, and on this box here is where my glue sticks is going to be standing. Now that all the Jenga blocks are all assembled, I will finish forming the box and then placing it on the platform. So now the box is already assembled. So I'm measuring, making sure that this is going to fit. And then again, I'm coming in with this glue. I'm going to make sure that I have plenty of glue. And then I'm going to be placing it on the platform. And then all I have to do now is with more Jenga blocks, I'm going to be creating the section where my glue gun is going to be resting on. placing 6 more Jenga blocks flat, and then on top another 6 more. Once I have all these 6 Jenga blocks on top of each other, which is a total of 12, then I'm gonna add, as you see, I put 4, 3, and 4 flat side by side, and then 2 more to give it some more stability. And then I'm gonna be adding it right here where you see it. And then now I have somewhere to rest my glue gun when I'm working and doing my projects. And this is it for this second project. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts by giving me a thumbs up. It will let me know that you have enjoyed this project, and here is the final review. I hope you enjoy it. For our next project, we're going to be using a placemat. I purchased this beautiful frame several years ago at a garage sale. So all I did was take it apart and replace this backing here with this construction paper. Later on in the video, once I took the pictures and I reviewed it, I realized that I did not like this backing, so I switched it for a wallpaper. You will see that in the final review. So I'm gonna cut this pineapple to size, making sure that it fits in my frame. I also want to thank all of my subscribers and future subscribers for your incredible support. This channel wouldn't be possible without you. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and hit that notification bell button so you could be part of our family. Don't forget to check out the playlist down below for more inspiration. Also, show them a lots of love, and I will see you in my next video. Here's the final review, and I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and let me know which is your favorite. And here's the final review.